Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole, Florida. I just want to do a real quick video on a service that I do for all my middle and top tier paint protection packages. And this product has just been applied. Let me make sure I've got this door shut. I just was working around the handle and noticed that it was out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you a quick water test. This door panel has been stripped, iron fallout remover, and clayed, and I'm hoping, and what I was seeing with the way the sun is setting, is I thought it would be a great time to get in and show just how flat water forms and shows. I'm gonna get a couple different angles here. See that water is just sitting on the panel right here, and it's just kind of slowly creeping off. Now this panel, I just used one of my paint protection products. It keeps your paint slick. It makes it easy to clean. It keeps love bugs, dirt, fallout from pollution. When you drive in the rain, you pick up people's iron and chemicals from their brakes when those then kick up. And so when you're driving in the rain and you have that layer of protection, do you see how fast that clears off the paint? This is what you want. You want your paint. I'm going to get a different angle here. You want your paint to sheet this water off. Water beading, great. Beads don't really do anything for anyone. They look nice. Some people love beads. I'm going to get this tight angle here. What you want is the water to sheet. You see how that already, this panel has no water sitting on it. It just has some beads coming down. Anyway, that's the kind of service that I offer. And if I can help you in any way, shape, or form, please subscribe. Give me a notification, and if you're in the area here in Southwest Florida between St. Pete and Clearwater, I'd be happy to take a look at your car and see what I can do for you. Thanks again. Enjoy making your vehicles beautiful or having me do it. I thank you very much. Take care, and until next time, I'll see you on the flip side.